I've never had purple hair before. This is crazy. Summertime. Hi guys, it's Lana here, and today I'm late. I know I am because I am going to be using hair waxes. There's a reason I'm late though. It's because I've literally been chasing up this parcel for the longest time. If you guys are following me on Twitter, then you know that I was literally back and forth with Parcel Force. Don't use Parcel Force, kids. This is the parcel that I was waiting on. There are so many hair waxes in here. Just like, look, there's another layer. There's a layer underneath that one. There are so many hair waxes. I have every single color. So today I'm going to use purple and we're going to see how that works. Their purple shade is actually called Violet. So I have two violets right here. My hair's freshly washed. I'm not sure exactly how you're supposed to do this. They make it look so easy. They just like put it in their hair and then like their hair changes color and it's like really cool. I did put leave-in conditioner and a curl cream in my hair and I've got no idea if that's really gonna like mess with things. I hope not, because you know my hair needs that stuff. Otherwise it's just gonna be like really frizzy. Here's what I'm gonna do. Because I have such long hair, even though I have two boxes of purple, I'm still not sure if I'll have enough to cover my whole head. So I'm gonna start on the top first. Like, it seems kind of like counterintuitive. Like, you usually do the bottom because it's easier, but I'm gonna do the top first, just to make sure that like at least the top layer of my hair is covered. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna section the rest away. I'm gonna get some sectioning clips because I always forget about those. Okay, so I'm gonna section my hair. I'm just gonna do the top half of my head. Sections are literally everything. So this is the hair paint wax. I actually really love the packaging. Yes, the packaging is really nice and cute. The brand is Pony Fly. This is the Mofajang hair coloring material. Dig in. Ooh, it's very thick. Ah! Okay, so it's creamy. Oh my gosh, I didn't separate my hair. No. Okay, right, it's going on. They said run it from the roots down to the ends. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. Whoa. It came out lighter on my hair than it even did like in the tub. Crazy. This makes me so excited to use the other colors now. Wow. I can make like ombres and everything. I'm gonna brush this through because I do want it to like look the best that it can. I definitely think I have enough for my whole head. I could do my whole head with just one maybe. My hands. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna take out this. I think we have plenty, like we definitely have enough. Wow. Oh my god. Ow. I've never had purple hair before. This is crazy. Ow. I honestly, I can't tell you what this is gonna do for my definition. I've got no idea. Like, I don't know if this is gonna like make my hair look all stringy and stuff like that, but do you know, part of me feels like it's gonna look good. I don't know if I'm just being like swept up into the moment or something. I'm seeing my curls clumping together and it feels like a good sign. Okay, so I'm definitely getting Halloween vibes. Well, I really don't even care on this side, do I? I'm just like chucking it on. I didn't even section my hair off or anything. Oh well, let's just dig in. Oh my gosh, I got it on my head. It better not stain. Also, my hair is considerably wetter on this side and it's not really taking to my hair like as well. I feel like my hair should not be this wet right now because it's kind of just like washing out as I put it in. Gotta get those edges. This feels like a real hair dyeing job. Like, it looks good at this point, to the point where I feel like it's gonna last. I feel like I'm literally dyeing my hair purple right now. And how can it be this bright and this vibrant? Violet! You're turning violet! Oh my gosh, I've done my scalp! No! Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know if you're supposed to try and brush this through, but I mean, that's what I'm doing. Look at that. Like, it feels like it's developing, like it feels like it's getting lighter. How is that possible? Does this have... This does not have bleach in it, I know it doesn't. Don't try and scare me like that. I'm gonna look like one of those characters from Inside Out. I got hair paint wax on my wall. I'm just covered in purple, like all over. I knew it was gonna look good probably, but I didn't know it was gonna look this good. I mean, it hasn't even dried yet. We have to wait and see. Oh my gosh, look at my hands. Okay, I'm feeling creative. I feel like I might try and put in some streaks of a different color. I have white and I have ash. I think I could do white. So tell me what you guys think. Like, do you think it's gonna turn out well? Literally pause the video, leave a comment now. Tell me how you think it's gonna turn out. Look. Let's do like this one. These are gonna be like, you know, like 90s kind of streaks. Oh hell no! Oh, I really can be Verena. I can do like a piece at the front of my head. You guys can do this. Like, you guys, this is so easy. Like, I know any one of you guys can do this. You're literally just putting it in your hair and it's easy to see where it is because it's so bright. You're not gonna miss a spot. You can literally see it. I mean, I'll probably miss a spot. Okay, I think that's all the white that I want to do. Maybe just a little bit more. You guys see the white parts? Oh my gosh, this is not blended in. I'm excited!
A few moments later.
It's been 4.5 hours. I'm pretty sure my hair is like mostly dry. I feel like maybe I didn't need to use the curl cream because I feel like this hair wax had some kind of like hold. I mean, it's wax. Why didn't I think about that? It's literally wax. So like, it's made my hair super defined, as you can see. I'm just worried that I'm gonna struggle to get like volume. So I am gonna diffuse because that's like the best way to get volume. So let's go. Actually, I think I just have too much product on my hair. Like, I don't know if it's ever going to get voluminous, which is a real shame because this would look so much better if it had like a lot of volume. Let's get an afro comb. You know what? I think with the heat from the hairdryer, it's literally making the wax melt. What I had to do was I had to switch this up to like the full heat. You can see there's like now wax all over my hands and all over the hairdryer. I think the heat melted the wax and that seems so obvious now. It's literally wax, so it melts. This is literally heat sensitive. Like, you could be out in the sun and this might suddenly start melting. Just trying to get some volume in it. If you guys are going to do this, or like the next time I do this, I'm not going to use a curl cream because you don't need it. This has all the hold that you need. And right down that part, you don't need a curl cream. And you know what? I do like these white parts. I think it adds a bit of dimension to it. Like, it kind of does look like highlights, which is what I was going for. So I just want to like separate chunks and it's actually quite easy to do. I thought maybe the hair would like stick together, but actually it's not. You can move the hair around and separate it. I mean, look, sure, I might have to just start using this as my curl cream every day because it's actually giving me so much definition, so much hold. Like, my hair's not actually crunchy and it's not stuck together. This is actually a really good curl product, and it's not supposed to be a curl product, it's literally supposed to be color, but it works really darn well. Look at the kind of definition that you get when you use hair paint wax. This is what I'm saying, you don't need a curl cream. Like, look at this, and look how it just separates. Like, it's just like, yeah, okay, like, it just listens. I have a black one. I might just use the black one and it just matches my natural hair and no one will even know that I'm using hair paint wax and I will have the best definition ever. Maybe if I lay down my edges, this might turn into something that resembles a look. You can still see how bad my scalp looks right here. Oh, look at my whites. Look at my white lights. I can't tell at the moment how it's picking up on camera, but in real life this is like pretty vibrant. Like, obviously depending on the lighting, like in daylight this is gonna look so bright. Just really shook at how it turned out. Like, I definitely need to do something about like my scalp. However, the rest of it actually does kind of look like I've put a tint on it, and I'm shook at how well this does with curly hair. Like, this in itself is like a curl cream. Like, it's so good for definition, and I think next time I definitely won't use it with a curl. I mean, look, the cutest ringlets. My curls back here, they tend to just go frizzy because they're so much tighter than the rest of my hair, and it actually just defined them. Like, just more and more like perfect curls. And look at the ends of my hair, like, whoa. I wish I had enough time to wait until my hair was like completely bone dry just to show you guys the full volume of this. Like, maybe I can sneak in a clip in the morning, I'm not sure. So the brand is Ponyfly. They are shop Ponyfly on Instagram. I'll leave them linked down below so that you can check them out. Tell me which color I should try next. I've got red, orange, green, gold, which looks like blonde. I've got white, I've got grey, and I've got blue. I don't know if I already said blue. But yeah, I'm really excited to try the blonde. I really want to make that happen. But let me know, drop it in the comment section down below. Which colour should I try? And the one with the most comments is the one that I'm gonna post a video on next.
Summer, summer, summer.